Okay, family, I'm back at it again with another affiliate marketing food for action moment. Now, this right here, this message comes from hopefully a new friend. Now, I want to first start this out by saying sometimes the people that you grow with aren't the people that you're going to stick with. Meaning, sometimes on your social media profile, as you're scrolling through your feed, you might notice that everybody that posts doesn't align with your beliefs and what you are really about. So sometimes you have to go on a quest or a journey to find like-minded people that inspire and motivate you with positive content, things that you can actually relate to, right? So I actually did some research today, just scrolling through Facebook, and I happened to find a couple of people, and this is one person I actually found. So Miss Lima Writers. Now this message right here, or this food for action moment, is kind of detailed, but it's worth the time. Let's go. To the business owner who's given it their all, I see you putting in the time, the effort, and the heart to make your dream a reality. It's not always easy, I know. There are moments when the stress feels heavy, when things don't go as planned, and when it feels like no one sees how hard you're working. But let me tell you, it matters. Everything you're doing right now is planting seeds for something amazing. Building a business takes courage. It takes resilience to face setbacks and still keep moving forward. And every time you push through a challenge, you're proving just how capable you are. Don't let a bad day or even a bad season convince you that you're not making progress. Sometimes growth happens behind the scenes, and you'll see the results when you least expect it. Take pride in the little wins. They might not feel like much in the moment, but they are stepping stones to the bigger victories ahead. And when things feel overwhelming, take a step back and remind yourself of why you started. That purpose, that passion, it's still there, driving you forward. You're creating something that's yours, something that's impacting people and adding value to the world. That's powerful. Don't let fear, doubt, or comparison steal the joy of what's you're building. You've got this. Keep showing up, keep believing in yourself, and keep trusting that all your hard work will pay off. You're stronger than you realize, and your best days are still ahead. Rooting for you always. Now, that right there, that food for action message is very powerful. That right there is a message that can turn anyone's day around if they're not having such a great day, or if they just need that extra push, that extra lift to get them going. And for that, Miss Writers, I appreciate this message right here, this post. And I want to encourage anybody who's interested in hearing more kind of positive information, positive posts, connecting with positive, like-minded people. You might want to connect with Miss Writers and see what she's about, see what other helpful information she might be able to provide. And also, if you're looking to connect with me to learn how to do affiliate marketing, the way I call for people that like to have fun. I want you to comment ready so that you can get started today on your affiliate marketing journey. Start connecting and reaching out to like-minded people, like-minded positive people that have something in common with you. People that can share positive, motivational, and inspirational thoughts. Positive energy travels. Get you some. See you guys in the next video. Know what you know, and know what you know before you enter that room.
All right, everybody. I know what you're all thinking. You came over here expecting a good time. Maybe some laughs, some snacks, just, well, a party. And trust me, I get it. It's easy to say yes to that kind of thing. After all, who doesn't like a good party, right? But here's the thing, one of the hardest things I've ever had to do is bring all of you together for something more. Something that doesn't just feel good in the moment, but that can actually change our lives. I wanted us to sit down and figure out how we can build something together, something that will bring value to all of us in the long run. A business, to be exact. Now, I don't know if it's the idea of hard work, the fear of failure, or just the discomfort of being serious. But getting people to show up for something that builds your future is 10 times harder than getting everyone together for a party. And that's, well, kind of ironic, don't you think? Anyway, I guess this is my awkward way of saying, let's make today about more than just a good time. Let's make it about building something that lasts.
I'm tired of complaining about not having money. It's time for a change.
Sounds good to me. Let's do it.